Okay, coming up on 25,000 miles, good time almost for service, which is fine and everything, but what's kind of annoying is it's every single time I turn the car on, it's set up to notify me of the maintenance, oil, and filter every time I turn the car on. It'll beep on me. See, there's the beep. But I wanted to show you how to clear this out. Down here on the steering wheel, you've got your screen setting, and you've got a back button. So I'm just going to push the screen setting once, push the back setting once, and what we're going to do is I'm going to keep hitting this until I get down to the clock and meter settings, and then I'm going to plus or minus, I think, no, this one I think I got this thing figured out. Let's see, I need to get back to the, oh come on. Oh, I was supposed to use the up and down settings here. So if I go in here, oh, it's kind of annoying. Let's go to, oh, now I'm changing my, changing the volume. There we go. Okay, now we can use this up and down arrows to get to maintenance. Hit enter, and it's tire, oil, and filter. Mine's on tire, and I'm going to reset it. And it's going to give it another 5,000 miles, and that's kind of annoying before a tire service, but I know that I'm due. I just want to turn off the silly thing, so I've reset it. And that's that. So now, I believe, okay. Not sure how we exit out. I'll hit the minus button, I'll hit the screen button, there we go. And I'm going to go back around to the oil filter. There we go. Go down to maintenance and go to oil and filter. And I'm going to hit reset. Okay, at least now it's not going to notify me, and I'm done. Hit the screen button and get out of there, and we're all set. Now when I turn the car off, and when I turn the car back on, you no longer got to push the pedal and push the button. There we go. You no longer get the maintenance warning. Now I just get the normal, seatbelt warning. No more maintenance warning. I know it's time for me to go and do the maintenance. That's how you can turn off the maintenance button, or the maintenance beeping.